How to turn on read receipts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on read receipts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner, and now click settings, and here you will find account, and then just click this one, privacy, and here you will find this one, read receipts. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and as you see, read receipts have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.